if you think you've seen all kinds of vending machines, behold the chicken egg vending machine. So, no one here. This is a chicken egg farm. There's nobody here. No cashier, no nothing. So this is the price list for eggs. So high quality and lower grade eggs. So if you want to pay by card, you select the number of the box from where you want to take your eggs. Then you put the card to the terminal, then the door opens and all the eggs are yours. And it's really funny because they have like 20, 40, 90, wow, yeah, 90, 30 again, 20, 30, well, and different grade. The non-grade ones are the really funny ones. So these are eggs which have been sort of discarded as not first grade, not second grade, but just some weird eggs. Well, they are really weird. They look like the surface of the earth. So yeah, vending machine for eggs. A wholesale vending machine for eggs, for that matter. Say hi to the camera.